everyone, and a very good afternoon to all of you. So today we have a new problem which name is redistribute characters to make all strings equal. So before going forward in this video, please make sure that you have liked and subscribed to this channel, and also it's my advice to all of you that please read the problem and try to build up the intuition, and also then try to do the code. If you stuck at a point, then see you can see this video and then do this. Firstly try by yourself, then see this video. Okay, so we have you are given an array of strings birds starting with 0 index. I've always said that arrays always start with index 0. In one operation, pick two distinct indices I and j, where birds of I is a non-empty string, and move any character from birds of I to any position birds of j. Then we have to return true if the make we if we can make the string in birds same equal using any number of operations, and false otherwise. Okay, so let's see the example one so that we can understand properly. So in first example, the bird's string is abc, then aabc, then bc. If we replace this a to this position, yeah, let's open this here. Yeah, if we replace this a to this position, then it will be abc, abc, and abc. This string कहाँ गई, ये वाली, this one, abc, then abc, then abc. So the string is equal, then we can return true. Okay, if we can see here ab, then a. If we replace b to here, then it will be a, then ab, so it will be false. So first condition that we can see is, if the number of characters is the number of characters is divisible by its size, we can just say, yeah, if the number of characters in the bird's string is divisible by its size, then it can be true. It can be true. Okay, I'm not saying that it's definitely it will be true, but it can be true. Then we will see the other conditions. If the number of characters, here you can see the number of characters 1, 2, and 3. 3 is not divisible by 2 because the bird's string, the size of the bird's array is 2, and the number of characters here is 3. So 3 modulo 2 is not equals to 0. So here we will directly return false. We will not see anything, we will directly return false. Here you can see the number of characters is 9. 4, 3, 7, then 2, 9. 9 is divisible by 3 because the bird's dot size equals to 3. So 9 is divisible by 3. So we can see then other conditions. Okay, it can be a good string or bad string also. So let's do the code, then we will see. Here the approach is, I have not written the approach, but we can say, we can think the approach. The approach will be like, if we count the number of characters. If we count the number of characters divisible by size, then it can be good string. Okay, one condition. Then if we will see the characters. Here A is repeated 3 times, B is repeated 3 times, C is repeated 3 times. So the repetition will be in multiple of 3 because the bird size is 3. So it will distribute. Yeah, this is a condition. It will distribute all the in all the strings, first here, then here, then here. So it should be the birds, the character count should be the divisible of the multiple of birds dot size. So let's see the code so that we can understand properly. So first condition is, if what if birds dot size, अगर if my birds dot size equals to 1, if my birds dot size equals to 1, then it's true. Yeah, no need to do anything, so it's true. Yeah. And second condition, if what happened by, if the number of characters, we can say, we have to find the total number of characters firstly. So int total total char count. Yeah. Initially, the total char count equals to 0. Now, and now we will find the total number of characters. So how we will find? So firstly, what I will do is, for constant string ampersand s belongs to birds, and then what I will do, total care count plus equals to s dot size. Done. So here I what I am doing is S is representing the birds. This one, if I am at this one, so I'm taking the size, I am adding the s dot size. Here the s dot size is 3, so I am adding the s dot size. Total number of count will be 3. Then total number of count will be 7 because 4 will be added. Then total number of count will be 9 because 2 will be added. So it's like that. And if total care count modulo size, birds dot size not equals to 0. If this will not equals to 0, then we can say directly, we can say that false, return false. Okay, this is done. Now what I will do, the main condition will come now. Okay, so now we will create a map, vector int map of size 26 because we have 26 character and I am initializing it as 0. Okay, now I'll traverse for constant string and percent s belongs to birds. This is done. Now for I'm taking a character, so auto character belongs to s. This is done. Now what I will do is I will initialize like if a map of character minus a, it will give me a value character minus a because like I am taking the what we can say the values a is 97, so what we can say I don't know, I didn't remember huh? So map of character minus a plus plus. ठीक है, this is done. Now I will check what I will check, I'll check for, yeah, let's see the question again. The condition is we have to return true, otherwise we have to return false. Okay, so I will traverse the whole map. So for auto we can use int directly auto I belongs to map because you directly write that int I belongs to map because the map is the integer value now. So if I modulo buts dot size not equals to 0, then we will return what I have written here. Yeah, return false, otherwise we will return true. Done. So now let's run this and see if this will work or not. It is giving me some error. Let's see. Spelling error, spelling error, spelling error. Return false. This is done. Let's submit this. Run this. Sorry. It is working perfect. Let's submit this. So as you can see, it is working perfect. Now let's discuss about the time and space complexity that this code is taken. So time and space complexity actually you will find because it's a very simple to see the time and space complexity. Now it's your task to determine what will be the time and space complexity for the solution. Okay, so if you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see next video also. Bye.